Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick the core features you need: chat, task automation, memory, voice. Once decided, select a technology stack that matches your team and timeline. For example, Python or Node on the backend and React or Swift for the client. Make sure to choose an AI model strategy next, local for privacy, hosted API for speed, or a hybrid approach to balance cost and latency. This first set of choices shapes architecture and deployment. You now build the backend. Create secure API endpoints for authentication, messaging, actions, and context retrieval. Once the endpoints exist, implement a context store using embeddings and a vector database. Prune and snapshot history to control cost and relevance. Then integrate the AI model with batching, rate limits, retry logic, and safety checks so responses are reliable and moderated. While you work, add telemetry and logging. You finish by building the client experience with streaming responses, clear error states, and concise onboarding so users engage quickly. Once the app is assembled, deploy with CI/CD using tests, canary releases, monitoring, and a rollback plan to reduce risk. Then run load tests, safety checks, privacy audits, and real user sessions to validate behavior. If issues arise, first check model context limits and vector store freshness. Stale context causes wrong answers. Refresh embeddings and rerun tests to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.